Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Marvel edits. First, gather your high-quality source footage from various Marvel films, ensuring you have a wide selection. Next, select an engaging audio track that perfectly complements the visual flow you envision. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial for creating a truly impactful and memorable edit. Focus on the emotional arc you want to convey to your audience, making every choice intentional. Now, let's dive into the essential editing techniques. You'll want to master quick cuts and seamless transitions to maintain a dynamic pace throughout your video. Don't forget to strategically place sound effects. They significantly enhance the impact and emotional resonance of your scenes. Finally, apply consistent color grading to achieve that signature cinematic look, making your edit feel truly professional and cohesive. To truly elevate your Marvel edit, consider incorporating subtle visual effects. These can enhance action sequences without overwhelming the viewer. Experiment with motion graphics for stylish text overlays or other dynamic elements. The goal is to blend different scenes seamlessly, creating a cohesive narrative that flows effortlessly from one moment to the next. This attention to detail makes a huge difference. Before you finalize your project, take time to meticulously review your edit. Check the pacing, timing, and overall emotional impact to ensure everything aligns with your vision. When you're satisfied, export your final video in a high-resolution format, like 1080p, for the best quality. Then, share your incredible Marvel edit across various platforms to engage your audience and showcase your hard work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.